Most people think real estate investing requires thousands of dollars, exceptionally good credit, and a sizable down payment after a lengthy bank approval. If you don't have all of those, then you're out, but that is changing. People are buying into rental properties with as little as $50. Not an ebook course and not a simulation. Real properties, real tenants, real income. In this video, I'll break down how that works and what you need to know before you buy in. So what is fractional real estate? This is a single rental property split into pieces. Instead of buying the entire property, you buy a share. And when rent comes in, you earn your portion. This is part of a bigger shift called real-world asset tokenization, where physical assets like real estate are divided into digital ownership units. The property still operates like a normal rental, with tenants and maintenance, but all of those responsibilities are handled by a professional management team, not you. This is currently happening on platforms that allow fractional ownership. One company in particular,